Good evening, it's Dave at All Important Reviews. Thanks for checking out my channel. Please smash that like button and please hit the subscribe button. I've got an unboxing with me today of a new watch that I have purchased, that I have shipped in from US of A, and it is another Victorinox. I'm a big fan of Victorinox watches, and I've decided to pick up this watch that I've wanted for quite a long time actually. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. This is the Maverick two-tone. Wow. Two-tone in grey, with a grey bezel and obviously the gold centre links and the gold markings. This is the 43 version. It's quartz with 100 meter water resist, but this one is a lot thinner than my inox. The inox models are like they're actually military grade quartz bracelet pieces. They're tested to an incredible you know, they put through all kinds of different tests and stuff. Now, as far as I'm aware, this is not as, you know, strong as the inox, but it's still and it feels brilliant. It feels absolutely brilliant. Let me just, it's got obviously a deployant, fold over clasp. Let's have a look. I've not resized it obviously because I just opened it. Wow, but that feels a lot lighter than the other, the Inox 43. The Inox is unbelievably heavy. It's probably about 200 grams, but this is I'm going to guess, is around 160, 170 after I've took the links out. So this feels a lot better on the wrist, and it's got a lot thinner profile. I think it's about 11 millimeters. I think that is just absolutely beautiful. And it's quartz. I'll tell you why it's quartz. I think they do actually supply an automatic version, but I don't care about paying any uplift for the automatic on this watch. For these types of watches, as an everyday beta watch, I'd prefer them to be quartz personally. Obviously, completely solid bracelet, solid end links. This is a beautiful, and the actual model that this is the reference 241824. I believe they do give a different reference to every colour that they do. That's interesting. That bezel, I thought the bezel was just aluminium, but that does not feel like aluminium. That feels like it's got some kind of a sapphire in front of it. I could be wrong about that. I'll find out what the bezel insert is, but it doesn't feel like a normal aluminium bezel. I hate aluminium bezels, absolutely hate them, because they just give way so easily, they scratch so easily. But that is absolutely beautiful, and it's only thin. That is just feels so good on the wrist. Wow. Do you know what? Now that I've got it in this colour, see, the thing is, I got this in an unbelievably good deal. I got it in a really, really cheap deal, like less than 200 quid. And I've not yet paid any import fees. I've been lucky. But that is stunning, absolutely stunning. And it's making me want to buy it in, you can get it in loads of different colour options, but it's making me want to buy it in the black and gold and in the all blue and silver. But that feels so nice on the wrist. Full review will be on the channel shortly. I'm going to wear it for a few weeks, and then a full review will be on there shortly. Thanks a lot for watching. Please smash that like button and hit the subscribe. It's been Dave. There's loads of watches coming up, loads of reviews coming up. Thanks a lot.